bet we are. That's your 50. Heading back to the roundhouse.
We're heading back to the roundhouse now.
And you're the conductor.
I'm the conductor.
But don't pull the air brake. We don't want to do that.
No. Okay,
Press the air brake and we'll come to a quick stop. We don't want that.
No, press the
Our conductor is sitting out on the back of the porch here.
Guys, so heading back to the roundhouse.
Yes, we are. We've got a little fire going back here in the stove, but no mulligan stew. No mulligan stew on it.
Okay, that's
He's going to throw the switch and we're going to go around the corner here, I think. Get up in your seat there, Mr. Conductor. Stay on task. Now we'll see him. See, I think he's going to hop off and change the switch here. Hang on, we're going to stop here, Joe. Get in your seat. Joe, sit. Ready, sit down.
This is the roundhouse?
No, this is the switch. We have to stop just short of the point so that you can throw the switch. Yep, you stay put there, yep.
That means that rock on the line train's got to go in and move. That man want to stop that train. He gonna talk to the depot agent with his whistle, and this is what he's gonna tell him. Cows, I got horses, I got hogs, I got sheep, I got goats, I got whole livestock. I got whole livestock. When that rock out of line train get by, that agent there gonna talk back to the depot agent with his whistle, and this is what he's gonna tell him.
Well, a ride like this you can never have it on video.
Thank you.
This is cool stuff.
Thank you.
Okay. Yep, just a little bit more. We're approaching the roundhouse. Here's the turntable. We're just about ready to get the caboose on the turntable. He's going to bring it to a stop here, I think. He's going to creep along really slow. He has to take directions from what the conductor says back here on the radio. Yeah, he's on the radio. He's telling the engineer just what to do. He's back behind on the porch of the caboose here. We're in it. We're in it. This is the caboose. Now we're getting onto the turntable.
On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. On the rock on the line, it's a road to ride. On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. If you goes to ride, you got to ride it like you find it. Get you to that station on the rock on the line. On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. On the rock on the line, it's a road to ride. On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. If you goes to ride, you got to ride it like you find it. Get you to that station on the rock on the line.
There it goes.
A, B, C, double X, Y, Z. Catch it They coming, but they don't say. On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. On the rock on the line, it's a road to ride. On the rock on the line, it's a mighty good road. If you want to ride, you got to ride it like the body. Get your ticket at the station on the rock on the line.
You have a good view of it going round and round up there, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
It's perfect. I bet you can. Keep looking. Not every day you get to do this. This is something special. Yep. Turntables don't move very quickly. They move nice and slow and smooth. Up there is the museum where we've gotten on from. I think we're on our way to go around 180 degrees, I think. Going all the way around. Big old wedge plow. Yeah, it has to go all the way around. We're about halfway there now. Oh, the sun's in our eyes up there now. Now we're hooking up with the line. Now see how we're hooking up with the line right here? Just to go about 2 inches more. About 1 inch more. That's pretty good. Yep, we're going to lock it down right there. Now we're going to have to back out the turntable, I think. Well, it depends which way you call forward, I guess. Are you signaling to go? Here we go. Yep. Bring it back where we started. But now we're turned completely around. Yep. But now the caboose is in front of the locomotive. Yep. I think we can shut it off now. We'll sign off for here for now. Here's the turntable. There's the diesel that pulled us. And over here's our caboose. Oh, well, it's behind. Behind there. Well, anyway. Here, it's back here.